today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your microphone is not working properly on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath input, you can select your various input devices. Maybe you have an old microphone in here. Just select the one you actually want to use and make sure that if it says allow, go ahead and select that. If it says don't allow, it means it's turned on, which is good. That's what you want to see. So that's just what you want to see on your end if your microphone is working properly. And you may also need to adjust the input settings here and adjust the input volume by dragging it to left or right here, as well as your microphone may not be picking up information or audio that you're saying. So make sure that's turned up. And that's hopefully about it. You can also test your microphone here. And that's pretty much all there is to say. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.